Alright, I found my mistake. I went the opposite way. So you want to start with the original, that'll be on the top. You're going to the mapping. Okay, so we're starting with the original. That'll be the top number. The thing you're mapping it to, okay, this is called the pre-image, this is called the image. The thing you're mapping it to will go on the bottom. So we're doing 15 to 6 equals 9 to some number. Okay, so I cross multiplied. I got 15x equals 54. Use a calculator. 3.6. So x equals 3.6. Okay, so this image will have dimensions of 6 inches base and 3.6 inches height. Okay, so we got a 3.6 by 6 inch map going on. Okay. I need more paper. Here we go. Number 19. A switch plate for a standard wall switch has the shape of a golden rectangle. It's got the shape of this golden rectangle. Remember, it has the ratio 1.618 to 1. Okay, so the length is 1.618. This is 1. The longer side is 114 millimeters. How short is the shorter side? So we want to figure out that. Okay, so 1.618 to 1 is our ratio we're working with here. And our long side is 114. I want to figure out what x is. So I cross multiply. And then I'll divide by 1.618. And then it says round to the nearest millimeter. So the shorter side is going to have 70.5 millimeters length. Number 20. You want a banner you are creating from one piece of cloth to be a golden rectangle. The cloth will be cut from a bolt that is 54 inches wide. What are the dimensions of the largest banner that you can make? Okay, so you want the banner probably cut from a bolt that is 54 inches wide. What are the dimensions of the largest banner you can make? One piece of cloth, be a golden rectangle. Dimensions of the largest banner that you can make. I'm not really sure what a bolt is. Is that some kind of sewing terminology? Does that mean it's a square or something? I'm not sure. So let's call that x. Same problem here. 54 inches to x. So we need 1.618 x equals 54. Divide that by 1.618. Then that means that the cloth can have dimensions 33.8. Well, 33.3 inches. Why? Because so what I got in my calculator was 33.37. But if I use that number, that's actually going to be no, that's okay. We can round up there. 33.4 inches. Okay. So we're basically cutting out this part of the whatever the bolt is. We're cutting that out, and we're just going to be left with that. Alright guys, that's it. Happy times. I'll see you later. Bye.